Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohammad Arshad. Today my video will be based on the subject called Principles of Programming using C, and my topic is about Introduction to Input and Output Devices. So let us start the video as usual according to the agenda. So today I will be discussing about Introduction to Input and Output Devices, examples of input devices, examples of output devices, future of input and output devices. So let us start with a brief introduction about introduction to input and output devices. So input and output devices are essential components of modern computing systems. They allow users to interact with computers and other electronic devices. So let us know what is meant by input and what is meant by output devices. So input devices, it allow users to send commands and data to a computer. Examples include keyboards, mouse, touch screens, and microphones. When it comes to output devices, it displays and communicates the results of computing processes. Example, it includes monitors, printers, speakers, and projectors. So we'll discuss with examples of input devices, which we see in our day-to-day lives. First is keyboard, second is mouse, third is touch screen, and the last one is scanner. What is meant by keyboard? It is a device used to input alphanumeric characters, numbers, and special characters into a computer. What is meant by mouse? It is a pointing device. It is used to control the cursor and interact with objects on the computer screen. What is meant by touchscreen? It displays that allows a display that allows users to interact directly by touching or gesturing on the screen. And the last, what is scanner? It is a device that captures printed documents or images and converts them into a digital form. So these are the common examples of input devices. So we'll discuss about examples of common output devices. So first one is monitor, second is printer, third is projector, and the last is speaker. What is meant by monitor? It is the most common output device for desktop computers, which we use in our day-to-day lives. It displays images and text in various sizes and resolutions. Next, what is printer? It outputs text and graphics onto paper or other media. Different types of printers also available. Uh, for example, like inkjet and laser printers. Next is projector. It outputs images and video onto a large screen or other surface, commonly used for presentation and digital entertainment. So, what is meant by speaker? It outputs audio such as music or speech, different types available for different applications, including built-in, external, and surround sound systems. So next, what is the future of input and output devices? Like what are the upcoming technologies of input and output devices? So first one is voice recognition, second is gesture control, and third is virtual and augmented reality, which we call VR. So what is meant by voice recognition? As a natural language processing and machine learning continue to improve, we can expect to see more devices that can understand and respond to voice commands. It means uh, with just the voice commands, the device will start to respond to your commands. So next, what is meant by gesture control? It is also similar to voice recognition. Gesture control, it is like a gesture control could allow users to interact with computers and devices using natural movements such as hand gestures and facial expressions. With just the body movements, hand gestures or facial expressions, the device will start to respond to your gestures. So next is virtual and augmented reality, as this is the ongoing trend. As VR and AR technologies become more advanced and widespread, we can expect to see new input and output devices that are designed specifically for these environments. So next is, and the fourth type is flexible and foldable displays. And the last is brain-computer interfaces. So in flexible and foldable displays, it says, as display technology continues to improve, we may see more devices with flexible or foldable displays that allow for new form factors and use cases. For example, a foldable smartphone could function as both as a phone and a tablet. If you fold that, it performs like a phone. If you open that, it performs like a tablet. So the last is brain-computer interfaces. While still in the early stages of development, BCIs would allow users to interact with computers and devices using their thoughts alone. This could be transformative for people with disabilities, but could also raise ethical concerns around privacy and control. This is the type of computer which responds according to your thoughts. Like it reads your brain and it responds to your thoughts. This is especially for the people who are with disabilities, like physically challenged people. So the conclusion is input and output devices are fundamental to modern computing and they will continue to evolve as technology advances. By understanding how they work and how they interact with each other, we can make the most of our devices and applications. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you once again.